What is going on, y'all? Culinary Ninja here with you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video, subscribing, and supporting me. If you guys would be so kind to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification symbol if you would like to. I just want to say what's going on with my channel. My channel is going to be doing a lot more, on trips that I go on, about the food, things like that. And also as well as teaching you guys how to cook. Please look forward to the new content that will be coming up. I'm coming up with new concepts, things like that for y'all. So please stay calm. I'm trying my hardest to get back into it. I did take some time off just because of work and things like that. I just want you guys to be knowing that I'm here for you guys, and please comment, subscribe, and like. Until next time, y'all. Hey, y'all, I just want you guys to check out the helicopter tour that I did in Las Vegas back in October. Just enjoy the views and enjoy the show. Thank you. These views were some of the most amazing views I have ever seen in Las Vegas. To see Las Vegas and the Strip and downtown at a great vantage point was breathtaking. I was just in awe, and I couldn't believe that I was actually doing it. The hotel that I stayed at was Flamingo Las Vegas. It's that pink building that you see right there. Then you see the high roller sparkling, and it was just an amazing view of the center strip. Flamingo was a great location. Enjoy the rest of the views. Here's the south end of the strip. You can see MGM, New York, and Excalibur. I want to say thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video. If you want more content like this, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching.